Hey, hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are absolutely rocking. So today in this video we will be discussing about OnePlus 8 Pro, few rumors and leaked pics that we got from few trusted resources, and we are going to discuss what all features and specifications we are going to get in OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus being a very trusted and pocket-friendly brand and a company which releases most of the latest features in this low-budget phones. So guys, as most of you know that I have been using OnePlus 6 since its launch. It is working perfectly without any flaws, and it also got this Android latest update. So these are few leaked pics that we got from the trusted resources. So it is said that the operating system in OnePlus 8 Pro by default will be V10, that is Android Q. OnePlus 8 Pro will be featuring an octa-core 2.84 GHz and single core Cryo 585 plus 2.42 GHz tri-core Cryo 585 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, and it is rumored that this OnePlus 8 Pro will be running on a Snapdragon 865, which is the latest and most powerful chipset as of now in Android. And it is also rumored that the base variant, which we saw in the OnePlus previous models, which consisted of 6GB RAM and 64GB storage or 128GB storage, will not be entertained anymore. So the base model of OnePlus 8 Pro is going to get 8GB and 128GB internal storage as the base variant. And coming to its display, guys, if you have used OnePlus 7 or even tried OnePlus 7 phones, the display is like crazy fluid, guys, and let me tell you, the display in OnePlus 8 Pro is going to be much more improved than its previous versions. This time it's going to get a resolution of 1440 by 3180 pixels and with a pixel density of 557 pixel per inches. So guys, you can imagine the kind of quality and the fluidity you get out of this display. And coming to its cameras, it is rumored that it's going to have a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Coming to the rear cameras, it is rumored that it's going to have 3 cameras with an quad LED flash, and the cameras being 64 megapixel, 16 megapixel and 13 megapixel. And this camera should be doing a fabulous job, I would say, guys, because as you see in the previous versions of OnePlus, I have been using this OnePlus 6 and the cameras perform absolutely phenomenal till date, and the quality of the pictures I get out of this OnePlus smartphone is something that I don't get in any other smartphones, I would say, guys. And you also know that OnePlus phones has one of the best cameras in the Android market. And coming to the battery session, OnePlus 8 Pro is rumored to have 4500 mAh battery, guys. OnePlus 6 has a battery of 3000 mAh. I mean, this runs for 1.5 days without any charging required. If you imagine 1500 mAh more than this one that we get in OnePlus 8 Pro, that is 4500 mAh, is like it's gonna be a beast, guys. OnePlus phones have this glass back panel, but unfortunately previous models do not have this wireless charging feature, but OnePlus 8 Pro is going to get that wireless charging feature with it. And guys, now as we spoke all the details and specifications of OnePlus 8 Pro that is going to be launched soon, so let me also tell you that the rumored price of OnePlus 8 Pro would be somewhere around 57k, and it would be launched in India in the first week of April 2020, I would say. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please smash the like button if you liked the video. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, how do you like this OnePlus 8 Pro? Are you going to purchase this mighty beast, or do you want to stay with your old OnePlus like I did? So share this video with your friends and family, guys, who are looking to purchase a brand new smartphone, that too OnePlus device in 2020. And last but not least, let me tell you guys, there is a lot more interesting stuff coming on my channel, so do consider subscribing to know all the tech related stuff first before anyone else knows it. And don't forget to press that bell icon to receive any further notifications when I upload a video for you guys. Do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You will be having those links in the description section, and it might be flashing somewhere on the screen during this video. And let's meet in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and never back down. Jai Hind.